guys, and welcome to another episode of Out of the Box. So, this time we chose a topic which is quite trending right now because of the whole scenario in the world. So, today we are taking the topic of the pandemic that shook the world. And today we have with us Suzanne Ali. She's a medical student, a third year MBBS student from SR Medical College. And we also have with us Mr. Abhijit Pandey. He is reporter with France TV India. So, hi Abhijit, hello Suzanne.
एंड
हेलो
ये
अमित एंड
हाँ
संकल्प।
क्या एंड ये एक ऐसा टॉपिक है कोविड जो सिर्फ इंटरनेट पे ट्रेंड नहीं हो रहा है एक्चुअली लोगों की लाइफ में
Yeah,
हमारे
it's a
आसपास
real life trending.
इट्स अ रियल ट्रेंड एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली नॉट अ गुड वन
Yeah.
एंड आज we'll talk about it, we'll share our opinions, get to know some new stuff from you guys, and maybe we'll learn something new. Maybe we'll get people to learn something new, and that's the whole motive behind this episode. सो या लेट्स डाइव राइट इनटू दिस। हमारा पहला टॉपिक है कि जब स्टार्टिंग हुई थी कोविड, जब फर्स्ट टाइम हमने सुना कोविड-19 कोरोना
I
वायरस,
guess January 2020.
या आई मीन कोरोना वायरस यूज्ड टू
Yeah.
एग्जिस्ट बिफोर दिस, बट हम लोगों ने पहली बार कोरोना वायरस कोविड-19 की वजह से
You know those
सुना।
memes you get on the meme
या
pages which used to make fun of it at that point of time.
या
It was not that serious at that point of time. So
या
that was the
राइट।
first time I heard of it.
या सो आई थिंक नवंबर 2019 या दिसंबर 2019 के अराउंड was the first time that I heard about it. It was
Yeah.
spreading in the US and I got to know कि चाइना से originate हुआ है ये, and now it's spreading like throughout the world. तो मेरा फर्स्ट ओपिनियन ये था इसके बारे में कि वायरस ही तो है, एक और बीमारी आई है,
Yeah.
हो जाएगा, ठीक है, क्या हो गया। लाइक एवरीबडी आई टॉक टू फैमिली फ्रेंड्स, आई वाज लाइक अबे ठीक है, अभी आई है, 2 महीने रुक जाओ, ठीक हो जाएगा सारा कुछ, क्योंकि इससे ज़्यादा क्या ही है, मतलब ऐसे आते रहती बीमारी, हर साल बर्ड फ्लू भी तो आता है, क्या हो गया, ख़त्म हो जाएगा ये भी। तो दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट ओपिनियन। आई डेंट रियली केयर मच अबाउट इट बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक उस टाइम तो केसेस भी इतने नहीं थे, उस टाइम डेथ्स भी इतनी नहीं थी, तो आई वाज लाइक हल्के में ले रहा था मैं। तो व्हाट वाज योर ओपिनियन व्हेन यू फर्स्ट
Considering like he was in Canada, so obviously he got to hear about it a little bit earlier than me because like US Canada not that much of a different distance. But I really got to hear about it like there is something which is making a news, it's making a noise in the world politics and all. So I heard it in January mid around when there was this discussion about that a lot of Chinese officials had visited various countries. A lot of people from China who had gone back to their home cities. They went about like Italy, I believe. Italy came under the whole. A lot of, I guess the worst hit at that point in time was Italy, which so I remember that photo I saw in the news which showed the I don't remember which was a monument, a very famous Italy monument, which was completely deserted because nobody was coming out. People were just staying at home. So that's when I heard about it, and I was like, again, just as I said, because being a layman, not being into the medical field or being too interested into this, I was like, all it's just a disease. It'll happen. Being Indians, we get used to it. That things happen. That's not a big deal. So I definitely did not take it as like something big. So that was my first opinion. How about you, Abhijit? How do you think? Like, what was your first one?
I think there was complacency in everyone when COVID started,
Yeah.
and this was evident in the fact that everyone was saying कि even political leaders around the world were saying that it's just a normal flu, it will go away in five
Yeah.
weeks, in 6 weeks. But as we can see, a year into the pandemic, and it's not gotten better, it's gotten even worse. So yeah, we can really understand that how complacent we were, and it is our complacency since January, since February, that has led to another massive increase in the cases. And of course, the political chest thumping did not stop. The political rallies did not stop. Kumbh did not stop. Holi did not stop. And these are the factors that really led to this, I mean, an exponential rise in the cases. And
ट्रू।
we did not take 1 year to prepare our hospital machinery.
या
We took this year, I mean, as a leave. After our last peak, which was in September, October, or November. After that, we just became, ठीक है, खत्म हो गया. I mean, our prime minister was on the TV saying that India has an exemplary record in handling COVID.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, that's the main fault. The fault is not only of the government, but mostly of the people who became complacent, who became overconfident,
So
and
I
they said that
so I
the
believe in the
pandemic is over.
yeah. So I believe in the beginning even you had that what should I call it? Ki like the people were talking about it, but again people did not actually see the seriousness of the situation at that point of time, right?
Yeah.
Let's not talk about that point of time. We can see it
Yeah.
right now also.
क्योंकि इस साल के स्टार्टिंग से एवरीबॉडी वाज लाइक साल गया बीमारी गई
Yeah,
बात
that's what,
गई
like 2021, the beginning of good things,
Yeah.
leaving behind the COVID.
Yeah.
So Suzanne has been in Mauritius for a very long time, I guess. I don't think you came back to Delhi for a very long time, right? It's been like 2 years around.
No,
Yeah.
yeah, it's
So
been very different for me.
yeah,
You guys have been living in India and you've
yeah,
been seeing. For me, all news, and
yeah.
I've been knowing through friends ki people are suffering and the headlines every day, Hindustan Times, etc., seeing that. When I
So
was traveling back, like when you guys were talking about how it started, I was thinking about how I thought about it. I
Yeah.
was in Mauritius. At that time, it was speaking in other countries, definitely not in Mauritius. And Mauritius kept it like a bubble because as soon as the cases started rising, they were like, okay, we need to stop schools, we need to go into a lockdown. And we went into a lockdown within like the first 2 weeks of the first case. So at that time, I had remembered this one incident that I told my roommate that when I travel home, I usually take connecting flights. So I had gone to Qatar on my way, and there I was in the waiting room. And when I had got out, I had seen this coffee stall, मतलब coffee type shop थी. वहाँ पे I saw this mom and she had 2 kids. They looked Asian to me, and they were wearing masks. And at that time, I thought, ki, okay, why are they taking this extra effort of wearing a mask? And at that time, I was like, उस वक्त I didn't feel anything. Like, okay, they're just taking an extra thing, ki, let's be cautious. But then later, when everything started changing, I realized ki they must have thought about the whole thing and she must have done that for her kids. So I feel like how important that was, that small detail of them wearing masks at the airport.
Definitely.
so fortunately,
Thinking of that.
Mauritius has had a very
Yeah.
like low level of case, I guess. Like they have
Yeah.
2020, they just complete lockdown because I talked to my friends over there. So
सुजैन ने काफी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक उठाया द मास्क
yeah, I mean,
बिकॉज
I mean, the like what you said. Just think about 2 years before from now. The only time people would wear masks is when the pollution in Delhi used to go to 500 or 600.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the few people who would wear, they were told, they were said, उनको बोला जाता था कि कोई फायदा नहीं होगा इससे, वैसे भी तुम्हें मरना है pollution में. And look 2 years from now.
या कुछ बहुत मतलब ऐसे
हाँ.
जो कॉशियस लोग होते थे जो
हाँ.
जर्मोफोब्स होते थे
Yeah.
जब उनको कभी कुछ ऐसे बीमारी होगी तो मैंने उनको पहले देखा था इससे
हाँ.
पहले या तो सर्जियंस या ये
It was
जर्मोफोब्स
like too
या पोल्यूशन
uncommon for us. Ki, like,
Yeah.
mask?
या
Like, why are you wearing mask?
Yeah.
Today you see
I
somebody without
remember
mask, you panic.
I started wearing the mask back in February 2020 because I was quite cautious. But I was the only person in the metro wearing a mask, and everyone was looking at me as
Oh,
if
1 year down the line,
कोई alien
situation
उतरा है।
haven't changed much.
एंड देन आपको ऐसे वो टाइम ट्रैवलर फील आ गया कि you'll see
You know,
दो महीने
I
बाद तुम
would
भी
like to
पहनोगे
share something here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
please.
What happened was we came to know कि lockdown होने वाला है on Tuesday. It was a Tuesday. So को बोला था, even my parents were like, you need to get something, like you need to get canned foods. Just go to the grocery and get something. So we didn't have proper masks that time. So we took scarves and we were girls. So we all took our scarves and we put up our scarves. The guys took the surgical mask and they put up that. And we went to the mall and everyone was looking at us. They were like, what are you doing? Why are they doing this? And then now when we think about it, we're like, you guys know why we did that
Yeah.
time.
Yeah,
उन्हें तो ऐसे
I
रॉबरी
felt
फील
I
आ
was
गई होगी कि
relevant.
चेहरा वेहरा के यार ये स्टोर में घुस गए
definitely.
बट
हाँ
अगेन
भाई
अगेन
ऐसे देख रहे थे.
अगेन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है ये कि होर्डिंग हो गई थी शुरू एज सून एज कोरोना वायरस के बारे में लोगों को पता लगा आई डोंट नो आई वाज नॉट इन इंडिया एट दैट टाइम सो आई डोंट नो इंडिया का क्या सीन था यूएस कनाडा एंड लाइक ऐसी मेजर कंट्रीज में एवरीबडी वाज ट्राइंग टू होर्ड टॉयलेट पेपर्स सैनिटाइजर्स मास्क
Yeah.
मतलब जितनी भी एसेंशियल आइटम्स है सब कुछ उठा लो और चाहिए भी नहीं तब भी उठा लो
India, it was all about food.
या
Everybody just wanted a lot of food.
या तो
That
वहाँ पे
is,
भी ऐसा था कि लोग अपने गैरेजेस में स्टोर कर रहे थे और फिर सेल कर रहे थे फेसबुक पे फेसबुक मार्केट प्लेस है
Yeah.
उस पे पीपल यूज टू
Black market.
सेल टॉयलेट पेपर एंड ऑल दैट एंड फिर जो पकड़ा जाता था फिर उसको फाइन होता था बहुत अच्छा खासा बट लाइक पीपल वर डूइंग दिस विच वाज सो लाइक
Inhuman, I'd say.
इनसेंसिटिव
Inhuman.
या क्योंकि यू आर लाइक मतलब तुम्हें एक उस चीज की जरूरत है पर तुम 10 उठा रहे हो इसलिए
Yeah.
कि
In a time
कभी
of-
जरूरत पड़
That
जाए
too in a time of crisis.
Yeah.
You're basically trying to exploit human resources in a time of crisis. It's just inhuman. You need to be a real devil to do
Yeah.
that,
एंड मे बी nobody noticed this in India क्योंकि इंडिया में ऑलरेडी हो रहा था कि दूसरों की थाली से उठा के खाने वाली आदत ये
Yeah.
ऑलरेडी इंडिया में काफी हद तक
I
चल
mean,
रही थी
India mein earlier it was the hoarding was done by big shop owners. Now it was being done by people for their own use.
Yeah.
Imagine getting 20 kgs of rice for a week. That what if I get so hungry and I have to eat rice every 5 times a day? So that is the kind of mentality people had. They were like, सब कुछ खत्म हो जाएगा. But the fact was that things were going pretty fine. Pretty fine, but still people out of just the fear, the panic,
the panic
that they heard. I
That-
mean, yeah.
That is basic. It's an intrinsic part of,
Yeah.
I guess,
Definitely.
human beings.
Definitely.
You get
Fear
that
is,
fight
yeah,
or flight
definitely.
response.
yeah
I remember one year before, if you remember, Abhijit bhai, at the ISBT and Kashmiri Gate, the whole war, it used to be
That-
jammed with people trying to run back to their native states and native villages because they were so afraid of it. And what
We
they
saw the same
Yeah.
images 5 days ago. I
when it
was
was
in
on
Anand
Monday.
Vihar.
I saw your story. He reported that it's the same thing. Like you are not trying to stop it. You are basically going ahead and getting that disease. You're saying that I'll go into a very big, what should I say, a big gathering, and I'll just get that disease in for the reason of going back to my place, which might be safe. That's just not.
इसका पता क्या है ऐसे मतलब मान ले तू एक स्विमिंग पूल में एंड इट गेट्स कंटामिनेटेड यू रन आउट ऑफ द स्विमिंग पूल कि मेरे को बचना है एंड देन यू रन इनटू द कंटामिनेटेड ओशन
Yeah.
कि मतलब मेरे को बचना है मैं जा रहा हूँ एंड लाइक यू रन इनटू द एक्चुअल डिजीज देयर और कितना फैला रहे हैं लोग इस
And I
वजह से
believe the very big reason behind that was the panic created by the social media, because
Yeah.
people just think about it. I get it that the people would have stayed in India. They would have stayed in Delhi. Suppose I'm just taking example of Delhi because I had experienced that personally. So if the people, the workers, the migrant workers, they had stayed in Delhi, they would have been here. What I don't understand is that you have a livelihood over here. You're a daily wage worker. You're earning in Delhi. All right, you earn XYZ
but
amount.
they were not earning because of the lockdown
Yeah, but then again, when you go back to your place, what difference is it gonna be? Is there you gonna work something more, or is it gonna be something?
इट्स यूजुअली कि उनके वहाँ पे
No.
मतलब
They have
जमीन
their
होती है
family,
घर वाले
yeah,
होते हैं
they have
तो
their
ऐसा होता है
family.
कि जी लेंगे
Yeah.
बट यहाँ पे दे हैव टू अर्न डेली टू सर्वाइव
My mother said this one well night. She said that कम से कम अपनों के बीच में रहेंगे. That's
Yeah.
what she said, and it really hit me. कि, that's a big point.
I was there 6 days ago at Anand Vihar ISBT, and the response I got from the migrants was not that गांव में हम काम कर लेंगे या कुछ भी कर लेंगे. The response was that सर इधर हम झुग्गी में भी रहते हैं तो हमको झुग्गी का भी रेंट देना पड़ता है. अगर हम गांव में जाएंगे, गांव में भी अगर हम कच्चे घर में रह रहे हैं तो एटलीस्ट वो हमारा घर है. हमें किसी को कुछ पैसा नहीं देना है.
Yeah.
तो
And
वही बात है, अगर
वही
पैसा
है.
है ही नहीं तो कैसे देंगे यार
Yeah.
It's about survival.
Yeah. And it's more like that the governments, various state governments, they did talk about getting compensation for the migrant workers, providing them some money, XYZ money. But that was all just, what should I say? That was a showbiz, I guess. It was just for the media that, yeah, we're going to provide you. But where is it actually?
but the major funds that the government collected is not open to RTI so
Yeah, it doesn't come under that.
you can't even find out what happened to that fund where was that money used
But they care, all right? They care. That's the name
yeah
of the fund.
it's
They
it's a care fund
All right, let's
Scam
not get into that.
2020.
Yeah, 2020, it's going to be a very long scam, trust me. It's going to be 2015 to 25 at least, minimum scam. Very long scam. All right,
Yeah.
so like we got example of like Canada's uncle told us that in Canada people were hoarding stuff. We got
Italy
Italy. Yeah, we also
Italy.
talked about Mauritius that things were way more at a lower scale, but then again panic was there. So we were hoping to keep this whole discussion like centered, focused upon India only, because we cannot exactly compare the medical services, the facilities, the population of India to Mauritius, Canada, Italy, or any other place. So let's just keep this focused on
Yeah.
India only. So right now, from what I have, as much as I know, is that the current scenario in India, from the past 2 days, I heard somewhere in the news that cases have been going down, not a lot, but yeah, there has been a stop and a little bit of decline. But before that, before the whole lockdown thing, cases were on a very like all-time high. Like India almost beat every other country in the maximum amount of cases in a day. So Abhijit bhai, you had been reporting for France TV at that point of time. So would you like to provide some insight as to why and how was that happening? What was actually going
Actually,
on?
before Abhijit bhai speaks, I would like to counter Amit kind of,
Yeah.
because I feel कि लॉकडाउन की वजह से कुछ खास कंट्रोल हुआ नहीं एक्चुअली इन द केसेस, एटलीस्ट नॉट इन दिल्ली, क्योंकि हो गया पैनिक.
Yeah.
लॉकडाउन लगते ही पैनिक मचता है और
Yeah.
फिर लोग भागे, जैसे भाई बता रहे हैं ISBT और ये सब रेलवेज,
Yeah.
सब अपने घर की तरफ भागे. केसेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़े. लॉकडाउन लग गया अपना ट्यूसडे से, और अगर तू ट्यूसडे और वेंसडे के वो निकालेगा केसेस, तो देवर मैसिव
Yeah.
कंपेयर टू, अगर तू सैटरडे संडे कंपेयर कर ले या
Yeah.
फ्राइडे कंपेयर कर ले पिछले हफ्ते का, तो
Yeah,
देवर एक्चुअली इंक्रीजिंग एट अ मैसिव रेट.
Yeah.
अभी शायद 1-2 दिन में उससे कम हुआ है,
Exactly,
बट लॉकडाउन से पहले वाले से अगर तू फिर भी कंपेयर करेगा, इट्स
हाँ,
स्टिल
that's
हायर
right,
देन द
yeah,
केसेस
exactly.
जो लॉकडाउन से पहले थे. तो आई डोंट सी कि हाउ लॉकडाउन हेल्प, बिकॉज इफ यू आस्क मी, लॉकडाउन रखने से एक पैनिक क्रिएट होता है, एंड आई काइंड ऑफ ब्लेम द मीडिया फॉर दिस टू. मतलब नो ऑफेंस टू एनीबडी, बट लाइक आई काइंड ऑफ ब्लेम द मीडिया कि उस चीज़ को इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ा चढ़ा के और वो इंटेंस बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक लगा के जिस लेवल पे ले जाया जाता है, शायद उसकी वजह से लोगों के इमोशंस के साथ इस तरह खेला जाता है कि वो पैनिक आ ही जाता है यार.
Yeah, definitely. I believe let's save this major discussion for the end part, right? Like for the
Okay.
later on part. Let's for right now get to know that what, according to a reporter, this current scenario, the grassroots reality is, because what we hear and what we see on news channels and newspapers, etc., is not always close to the reality. But a person who's been there, as you told him into ISBT, also you would know the grassroots reality, that how things are actually going.
So, 4 days ago, I was in Maulana Azad Medical College, where RT-PCR tests are being done at quite a great level. And the chief of microbiology, I don't know if I can show you through the phone. So, if you when RT-PCR tests are conducted, they are fed into an amplification plot. So, if you see all these red lines here, all these red lines are positive tests on that day. So there were 98 tests conducted, and all these red lines, when the red line peaks, it's a positive COVID test.
All right.
So what led to this increase in cases? As I said before, it's the people who thought that Corona khatam ho gaya hai, ab masti karenge, holi manayenge. If you look at the images in Vrindavan, I mean, the massive amount of people who were in Vrindavan on the day of Holi.
Yeah.
We did a report on that as well, and people told us कि पहले होली है, उसके बाद कोविड आएगा. So that was, I mean, that was quite prophetic, because होली के जाते ही इतने ज़्यादा cases आना start हो गए. So as per the medical expert that we spoke with, Dr. Manchanda at MAMC, he said that yeah, so cases are increasing because of the complacency of the people, and also the new variants do have a role to play. But what we were told is that we don't have enough studies to show how much these new variants have impacted us.
Yeah.
And as far as the medical fraternity is concerned, they say that they are less scared this year than they were last year, because we actually know a little bit about the virus and how the virus behaves. Last year, we were just thrown inside. The doctors were just thrown inside and chalo treatment karo. But now it's what doctors are telling us is that A, they have been vaccinated. B, they have contracted the virus and have, I mean, fought through it. And now they know a little bit more about the virus.
Yeah.
So yes, the medical fraternity is a little less scared, and I mean, they really have all my respect, because I donned a PPE kit from head to toe just for 30 minutes and went inside the COVID ward of a hospital, and I could not breathe inside it. I was sweating everywhere, and this is what our doctors wear for 8 to 12 hours every day. Even some doctors,
Even
they
more.
have to wear, yeah, even more. Even some doctors told us that they have to wear, what do you say? They have to wear diapers because they cannot take toilet breaks. They cannot take food breaks.
Oh wow.
So when people tell me that, नहीं यार मैं मास्क नहीं पहन रहा हूँ, मुझे सांस नहीं आ रही है, Yeah, just try, just see the situation inside a COVID ward. Just see what our doctors are doing for us, what conditions they are facing, and it's really heartbreaking to see us in this situation right now.
Definitely, being a doctor right now is not something that's going to be easy for anybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, so definitely huge
And
props to
and let's not
everybody.
even talk about the fact that the number of deaths they
See every
see
day,
every
yeah.
day.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah,
just think about it, that you're treating a patient for 4 days, 5 days, you're giving that person hope that yeah, you're gonna get fine, but because of XYZ reason, because of somebody's foolishness, the person could not survive. So of course doctors are humans at the end of the day.
I've heard people say it's part of their job, but like they still deserve the respect for
They're
that.
still
Like,
humans at the end of the
yeah,
day. They're not somebody who would not feel anything. Just
Hmm.
for once think about a person dies in front of you. It's really gonna shook
yeah,
you up, and let alone every day if you're
And
gonna
then
go
you
through
have
that.
to go back and tell their family that they
Yeah,
have passed.
that's the hardest part, I
That's
guess.
way harder.
Yeah.
Saying
yeah,
that truth is very hard. And especially when the doctors have to keep telling and assuring the family that your child or your brother or your sister and anyone from your family is going to be okay. But in the back of your head, you know that they might not survive through.
Yeah.
yeah,
And then coming back and telling them that this happened, it
yeah.
takes a lot from them.
Because like they might not actually even be lying, because अभी जो scenario है, जिस तरह strains भी आ रहे हैं और जो भी है, even doctors are not 100%
Yeah.
sure ना कि आगे.
Yeah, they're not able to
Yeah,
anticipate what could
yeah,
happen
That's
with
what
the
Avjit Bhai
patient
told
right
us, right?
now.
That
Very
the new
dicey.
strain, we have very less researches, we have very less studies on the new strain, so we don't know how it is behaving. Like, I can give you an example of like this morning only. So the last night, what happened was, last around evening, I was talking to a friend of mine. So there is somebody in her known who had. Okay, so what happened was that they got through the RT-PCR test, but it all came out negative. 4-5 times it came out to be negative, but the doctor said the symptoms are of COVID only. So that, for what they wanted to say was that it's a new strain which we are not able to identify, because I guess all the symptoms were of COVID. So he was on the oxygen bed. He was at start he was fine, but then a little bit condition deteriorated. So they got that what remdesivir. What's the name of the R injection?
remdesivir.
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 Yeah, it's really difficult to pronounce for me. So so he got that injection, but the body was not responding to any kind of a treatment. But fortunately, for 2 days he was totally fine. He was actually improving a little bit. But yesterday around 7-8 o'clock, the condition began to deteriorate a bit. Doctors tried their best. Then so my friend texted me around 2 o'clock in the night, I guess, that I need a ventilator bed. So do you know somebody? So I contacted a lot of 2-3 people who I knew. But then again, at this point of time, getting the bed at night 2 o'clock, with, because not everybody is gonna. I get it, that because it was one case, so there must be thousands of people who wanted the bed. So I tried to contact few people. So they said that probably in the morning we might be able to get that. Fortunately, the person got a bed, but yet he did not survive, because his body just refused to respond to any medication or anything, because they didn't know what it is that is actually affecting him. It was a new strain probably.
Yeah.
so it was not testing positive for COVID-19,
Yeah,
but all the symptoms were of
yeah,
COVID-19.
yeah. I
That is
This
actually
crazy.
have
is
report right now. I could show you the
this is
report.
what we have seen in the new variant, which is being labeled as the double mutant, or the B1.1.617 variant. Uh, it's mostly coming. I mean, it's mostly a mutation of both the British and the South African variants.
Yeah.
And what we are seeing is a false negative in the RT-PCR test. But if you have the symptoms, then doctors do recommend getting a CT scan done, because through a CT scan, we can see your lungs and how much your lungs have been affected.
CT score
And
is really
yeah,
important at
so
this
Yeah,
point.
that's very important. All these additional tests like
So
CT,
that is the
blood
thing, na?
test,
The person had
and everything.
17 or 18 CT score, but the COVID report showed as negative. So what I
Mm.
believe was that when I woke up, I saw the text. She had texted that he's no more and all. So I didn't know that person. I didn't even know like whose father he was. I don't didn't know him personally. Like, I knew he existed and I never met him. But yet I just felt bad that uh
Mm.
like the doctors tried everything, and they were like, "Ki, the body is just not responding. It refuses to respond, and we cannot do anything about it." So I just felt really bad that this is something which is sad reality of the current scenario, that we just need to deal with it. There is no way, because till the time you don't know what the disease is, how can you treat it?
तो ये वायरस
It's
मतलब
accelerating very fast. So
Yeah,
because
या
of that,
ये वायरस इस
time for
तरह
all the researchers, all the doctors to figure out what's happening.
yeah,
Yeah,
या दैट्स व्हाट आई एम
another
सेइंग
thing I would add on to what Suzanne is saying, that it's spreading very fast.
या
So I guess Suzanne must be aware of it because she is a medical student. But what I was told by a microbiologist is that it's in the nature of a virus to mutate
definitely,
in order
to
in order
survive.
to spread,
Yeah, to
in
survive
order
and
to
spread.
survive.
That's how it
So
is gonna work.
what a virus does is that it reduces its mortality but increases
Yeah,
its
Spread,
infection
true,
spread.
rate.
Yeah, it's
So
true.
and this was quite a good example for someone like me who is not aware of
yeah,
medicine.
for layman.
He said that, look at Ebola. Why is Ebola contained in Africa? Because the virus is too severe. When Ebola hits its host, the host dies.
Mm,
So what's the use? The host is of no use for the virus.
yeah,
So what the virus is now doing, it's increasing its infection rate, but reducing its severity.
yeah,
And somewhere we are seeing an increase in deaths because our hospital mechanism is not able to keep up with the
yeah.
increase in cases.
Yes.
Just think about it. That, yeah, please, Susan.
Lecture on about the viruses and how, especially with the coronavirus, they were talking about how it's spreading very fast. So one of our faculty was taking a class and he was explaining us that as they mutate, they don't increase in how harmful they're going to be. मतलब mortality उन लोग की इतनी increase नहीं होगी, but infectivity बढ़ेगी because they're trying to come into a symbiotic relationship with us.
Yeah,
We want our body to divide.
yeah.
And if we die, like if people keep dying, they don't
It's of
really
no
have a
use.
source.
It's of no use to, as Avjit
So
Bhai said.
if they keep killing us, they won't have anyone to divide in. So they
Yeah,
try to be in a symbiotic relationship with us. So he felt at that point that coronavirus is trying to do that, but with the variants, it's very difficult to understand too if
yeah.
that's the case or not.
I mean, world-class
So
doctors, world-class researchers are trying to get to know how this new strain is working, but they're not able to. Yeah, you were saying. Sorry to interrupt you twice, thrice.
सो जितना मैं समझ रहा हूँ लाइक तो ये जो नया वेरिएंट है
Hmm.
ये इतना इवॉल्व हो चुका है कि लाइक इट्स फाइंडिंग अ वे पास द टेस्ट राइट मतलब कि ये अब आ भी उसमें पॉजिटिव भी नहीं आ रहा लाइक पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई
Yeah, that's an assumption because we don't know, but they
I
right now,
mean
yeah,
yeah
that's what
it
proof
seems
suggests.
like it
Yeah,
seems like
proof
it
suggests that.
but also if this is true this I didn't know about sorry for my ignorance but I didn't know कि वायरस जो है वो कोशिश कर रहा है कि मतलब कि उसका जो होस्ट होगा वो और देर तक सरवाइव करे राइट सो इफ कोविड स्टेज ऑन फॉर लाइक लेट्स इमेजिन मोर इयर्स तो फिर क्या मतलब ये ऐसा हो जाएगा कि इसका सीवियरिटी रेट मतलब बिल्कुल कम हो जाएगा ऐसा ऐसा होता है क्या
I remember
The hope.
I read about this in I
Could
know,
be.
let's just call it kind of a, not a conspiracy theory, but a very big theory. It was from a very reputed doctor. I don't remember, from I guess Italy or somewhere. He said that there's a chance that we might have to live with the virus in the coming years. That's what
Yeah,
he suggested. But then again, considering
I
the
had
mortality
seen that
increase,
video.
yeah, considering the
Yeah.
mortality increase in India, and I don't know abroad, but in India, I don't think it's really possible. But again, as a medical professional told us right now that if that is possible, then I
बट
don't know.
अभिजीत भाई ने मोर्टालिटी का सही रीजन भी तो दिया है लाइक आई एग्री विद दैट कि हम
They're not able to.
हम हमारी कैपेबिलिटी कम है ना टू डील विद द नंबर ऑफ केसेस सो मे बी इसलिए मोर्टालिटी
Yeah,
रेट बढ़ रहा है
definitely.
मे बी द वायरस
The
इज नॉट
hope.
इंक्रीजिंग इट्स
Yeah.
डैमेज इट्स बिकॉज वी आर नॉट एबल टू हैंडल द नंबर ऑफ केसेस वी आर गेटिंग
Yeah.
क्योंकि बाहर के कंट्रीज में अभी इस तरह स्प्रेड नहीं हो रहा जिस तरह इंडिया में हो रहा है
Hmm.
इट्स प्रोबेबली बिकॉज हमारी कैपेबिलिटी हमारे रिसोर्सेज कम पड़ रहे हैं
Yeah, resources, the increase in
And even with the population,
yeah, the population
Yeah.
is
a
very
lot.
increased.
That matters a lot.
Like social
Yeah.
The
distancing
population.
per square meter is not physically possible in India.
वही
considering the
रिसोर्सेज
population.
इसीलिए कम पड़ रहे हैं बिकॉज द पॉपुलेशन इज सो
Yeah.
ह्यूज एंड अनलाइक चाइना
Like it
वी आर नॉट अ
was.
कंट्री हु कुड लाइक यू नो मतलब बिल्कुल
Make
ही
separate
ऑप्रेस करके
tunnels, make separate
हाँ,
tunnels for the COVID
Hmm.
ones, non-COVID ones.
Yeah.
That's
Like it was
that's
easy
the
to
only.
control in.
Hmm.
Yeah, please
Yeah.
go on.
It was easy to control in Mauritius because the population is quite
Yeah,
small.
exactly.
So
And they started the lockdown in
you go
the
inside and
first
stay
week.
inside.
Yeah.
It's actually the same for
Exactly.
Canada.
We
Canada की भी लैंड एरिया बहुत बड़ी है एंड पॉपुलेशन बहुत कम है उसके
Already
कंपैरिजन.
people are living
Yeah.
way apart, so social distancing is not a big problem. In
Yeah.
India, in a house of suppose 15, 16 square feet, 4 people are living. How do you get a social distancing? They cannot get a social
Right.
distancing. It's a real life problem. So talking
true.
about the new strain, I believe.
Abhijit bhai was saying
Ha,
something.
yeah, you were saying something. I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was saying, I mean, this is what has been seen in the UK, who have had a large number of success with vaccinations.
Yeah.
So they are saying the hope is that uh, the virus mutates itself into the similar virus like the flu. So what we have to do is get yearly shots, and
Yeah.
we'll be done with it.
That is what I'm also
Yeah,
thinking.
that's true.
Yeah, because
Like
like
today
whenever
morning, I was watching a video, and in that video, the person basically the question was, when would this pandemic end? Like, it has to end at some point.
yeah,
So he was like, it would either be that the entire population gets immunity against it, that would be either by getting infected by it or having herd immunity.
Vaccination, yeah.
And this herd immunity is via the vaccine.
Yeah.
So they're just waiting for one effective vaccine because even right now, like Pfizer, it gives only 6 months immunity. So it would be like influenza, like the last pandemic was of influenza. So influenza, it comes during various seasons. So same thing they're expecting with coronavirus, ki, it would become a seasonal virus that would probably come in the winter, spring, and autumn, and then go away at summer. So during that time, it would be preferable for all of us to get a shot of the vaccine. So
oh
that's how they expect it to be in future.
That's like us trying ki aisa ho paye if it is possible, because
Yes, to
again
survive.
it's a virus. You just don't know how it's gonna mutate into. You don't know what
Yeah.
it'll do to survive. Like if only we could predict what is happening, we might be able to. But then again, as Abhijit bhai suggested, a very low amount of research, being like बहुत कम हमारे पास case studies आ पा रही हैं इनसे related. We have very less research जो अभी हो पाई है इस नए उस पे. So it is really difficult to actually know something for sure, because for the earlier strain, the original strain, we have a lot of knowledge that it in that 15 days of period it does this. Then post 15, if you do, there's no we knew a lot about it because we had 1 year to study about it. But then again, I believe that 1 year in which we studied about, the doctors, the medical professionals, the researchers, they studied about the strain. There was also very important and a very big responsibility of the administration to prepare for the second wave, because as I have heard that the first wave is when the pandemic hits you, then the second is which occurs when the vaccination starts. So we all knew that vaccination is gonna happen. It's not like it was not gonna happen. So the administration were aware that a second wave is coming. A lot of people, all the researchers, all the scientists, all the medical professionals, they suggested that the second wave is coming. So there was 1 year for the administration to prepare for the second wave. And I guess if I was to take an example of India, so I believe we have failed in a lot of sectors, a lot of sectors. I mean, it really, I believe, it really messed up with my mind that in this time, when the whole world is saying that India cases हैं बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, it's increasing on an ever highest level. I believe I heard that around 20-25 countries actually stopped tourism from India. I heard the European countries and all. In this time, a few of the political leaders still continue to amass people for a political rally. That is really saddening. And that is just, and the people who are actually going over there, I mean, what do you think the political leaders would save you from this whole corona scenario? I don't know, like,
it brings me to my most important question that I really want to talk about is personally, if you ask me, I don't believe the lockdown is helping, and I'm not in support of it, but that's just my personal opinion. I'm not saying my opinion should like affect anything. But like, what is your opinion, guys? Like, lockdown is good for, according to you. Is it effective or is it not? Or should it be uplifted or should it be kept for a little longer?
I was hoping ki let's start with a little bit medical opinion. Let's ask Suzanne about
Yeah,
like
let
how
Suzanne
should,
answer it
like,
first.
what should be our expectations if lockdown is implemented, and what will be what according to you would like benefit or what would be negative if lockdown was to happen? Like, what do you think as a medical professional, how it would help or not?
See, when I look at India and the population, I feel like putting up a lockdown is very hard, but it is very important. At this time, it is very important. And the way, like, how I was reading about the news and stuff, and I was seeing that people don't, like how you guys were mentioning in the beginning, that people actually want to go back home to their villages and everything. Those things cannot be stopped. Like, you can't just say someone, don't board the bus, don't go to your village, because how could the police go to every person and be like, तुम घर नहीं जा सकते हो? मतलब तुम तो उसकी बेसिक राइट ले रहे हो कि आप घर नहीं जा सकते. तो आई फील लाइक द गवर्नमेंट शुड मेक इट इन एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर, नॉट लाइक कि अच्छा आज हम कर्फ्यू लगा रहे हैं, आप लोग सब अब अपना देख लो. इट शुड बी इन्फॉर्म बिफोर कि ठीक है, अब इतने से इतने दिन तक हम लॉकडाउन करेंगे. यू गाइज नीड टू स्टार्ट मूविंग बैक. You need to go home. You need to figure out what you want to do during the lockdown. And the way it is in India, like जैसे मैंने देखा था, अभी कर्फ्यू लगा और फिर उसके बाद सब बैठ गए. पता नहीं फार्मर्स का स्ट्राइक चल रहा है, कुछ लोगों को बस बोर्ड करके घर जाने. लाइक द नाइट they told about the curfew, next day morning when I opened my Instagram and I saw the headlines, I was seeing people boarding buses.
Yeah.
और उस बस में सबसे ज्यादा लोग थे. How could that? I mean, that's not logical, right? I feel like government should do something about it. Isme even I feel like the doctors cannot help that much with the whole lockdown scenario.
Definitely. I
We can
mean,
you
I
that you
mean,
guys should
yeah.
listen, you guys should do social distancing and all, but वो सब impart करने के लिए you need the government, you need help from the ministers, you need help from the police, you need help from society. मतलब छोटी सी चीज देख लो, अगर कोई सोसाइटी का चेयरमैन है, उसको बोलना चाहिए कि ठीक है, लेट्स नॉट कम आउट इन द सोसाइटी. वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड, he got covid because his chachi used to work in the society. अब आप कहाँ तक रोक लोगे सबको? जस्ट बिकॉज उसकी चाची को हुआ, ही गॉट इट. तो ये सब बहुत मतलब बेसिक लेवल से स्टार्ट करना होगा. मिनिमल चीजें करनी होंगी कि पीपल आर रियलाइजिंग कि वी शुड स्टे एट होम.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you can tell कि government को help करना चाहिए, but I feel like people should also be educated now कि it's high time we realize staying at home is way better than being outside.
But according to me, Suzanne, just think about it. My leader comes up. Oh, okay, just imagine that a principal comes up to you and he's like, nobody's gonna leave the hostel, nobody goes anywhere. Then the next day you have a birthday celebration of your principal or your principal's kid, and he's like, yeah, please come on, let's gather up. We'll have cakes for everybody. We have Coke for all the kids. It's gonna be a real fun. So do you think anybody's gonna take it seriously? Like, consider this, na, that
No.
we are saying, okay, it's a lockdown, nobody moves out, but we have a rally on Friday. Please come up to it and vote for me. I mean, I believe this was a very messed up decision that the election
Yeah.
commission said that we're gonna keep the rallies are not gonna happen from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. in India in Bengal, and I was
तो
like,
टाइम में रोक के क्या हो
who does
जाएगा?
who does a rally like 3 o'clock in night? Like, can you imagine? Like, I mean, Ghar Ghar Modi at 3 o'clock. Nobody does that. Getting a curfew for 10 to 6, 10 to 5 in midnight or after 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Like, EC should, I believe personally, the EC should have postponed the elections. I mean, I get it. It's really
Yeah.
important. It's really important that because we know that a lot of our money goes into organizing a election. A lot of money is invested. A lot of human power is invested. But to what
Yes,
avail will
but
it
the
be if
cost.
people, yeah, I mean, the medical cost, I believe, would any
Exactly.
day, be more than the election cost that might the
मुझे लगता है
government's
कि वो
facing.
जो इलेक्शन में पैसे डाल रहे थे, आई एम नॉट सेइंग गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट इन्वेस्टिंग इन द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फॉर मेडिकल people, but I feel like they could have channeled that money for maybe making more better
Yeah,
hygienic, getting tested,
I mean,
providing oxygen,
I mean, I saw
all
this.
that to people at
Yeah,
home.
I mean, I saw this really awesome tweet that how many people are getting admitted to Sardar Vallabhbhai statue. That's what a lot of I read this tweet and I really felt that I don't know, like if you have money that 1,000
Where?
crores to invest in a statue, then maybe you could have gone for the hospital.
बट इफ द पीएम केयर
Yeah.
फंड
What?
पीएम केयर फंड ही नहीं यूज हो रहा है, तो अभी कैसे एक्सपेक्ट करोगे कि इलेक्शन कमीशन से फंड निकाल के ये लोग लोगों के लिए यूज करने वाले हैं?
But the fact
जब
is,
तुझे
yeah,
जब उसी चीज के लिए लिया गया फंड तेरे को नहीं पता चल रहा कि यूज हो
Yeah.
रहा है कि नहीं, तो तू कैसे मतलब गवर्नमेंट को बोले कि
And
ये
the
जो
worst
दूसरा
part
वाला
is
है
that,
यूज
the
करो.
worst part is that, I mean, it's a little bit off topic, but for me personally, it is that RTI was considered like a pillar of the Indian democracy, that you can know everything. You can know
Yeah.
everything about the government.
Hmm.
So how is it made possible that funds like thousands of crores collected from the Indian mass from anywhere, it it just cannot be known that where it goes. It is out of the
Sensitive
RTI.
information.
Yeah, it's out of the RTI. Like Google knows that I searched for a Boat headphone yesterday, but I cannot know that I paid 1,000 rupees to the government and where is it being used. I believe that is something which is very saddening.
I'll come back to the question of Sankalp and
Yeah.
lockdowns. I mean, what people need to know, what we need to know, and I think what the media is not doing enough, the Indian media, which is too busy in the ruckus and noise and chillana hona. Lockdowns are not meant to erase the disease. Lockdowns are meant to
Yes.
put a break.
Pause, yeah. Put a
Yeah.
Yeah.
onto it.
So what this lockdown came too little, too late,
Yeah.
because the cases were already rising like fire. But if we take a look at the lockdown in the previous year, around 24 or 23rd of March, I don't remember, we had around 200 or 500 cases, I don't remember.
Yeah.
Why did it work? It worked because the cases were not in the community. So a lockdown put a complete break. It allowed us to prepare the infrastructure and get us ready for the peak in September and
Yeah.
October and November.
And it worked really
But
well at that point of time.
it worked well.
Yes.
But this lockdown,
True.
it came when the cases were already rising at an exponential level.
Hmm.
So it was too little too late because it was already in the community. It was spreading like wildfire. And our infrastructure was full. I mean, the largest hospital, LNJP hospital, I was there 4 days ago. We spoke to the medical director. He said, we are running in full capacity. What do you want us to do? He said,
Yeah.
what we wanted to do was to go inside the COVID ward and see what people were doing. He said it would be inhumane on my part to send two fit people inside a COVID ward just for them to film. He said, I don't want two more bodies on my hands.
Yeah, and he is
Oh
very
my God.
correct.
Yeah.
He really
Yeah.
doesn't want to take
True.
that chance. He has seen a
True,
lot
true.
of deaths, and he doesn't want anyone to be added over there. And that's
Yeah.
really, I would say, good of you, of him.
But what's confusing is when the prime minister of your country says there will be no lockdown and your chief minister is putting a lockdown in your state. It's like so contradictory.
And the fact is that the chief minister is not, she's not sure that करना है नहीं करना है. He's like, चलो 2 दिन कर देखते हैं, मजा नहीं आया, खोलते हैं मंडे.
But-
चलो फिर कर लेते हैं.
But the thing that Suzanne was saying कि people are moving back and it should be organized and the government should do something about it. Firstly, तो population की वजह से हो नहीं पाएगा. We already have no
हाँ, वो
resources
तो
for that.
प्रॉब्लम है.
And secondly, the only thing I liked about Kejriwal putting up this lockdown was कि उसने बहुत sternly ये put up किया था कि please don't leave the state, stay where you are, and this is just a temporary thing. It will be over. We'll take care of you.
Yeah.
See, that was the only thing that I liked about this. कि he was not saying कि you are free to leave और जाओ भाई अपने घर जाओ, which obviously a lot of people didn't listen to.
But
But
yeah.
I think a few might have.
And the fact is that I believe, considering as like जो मेरे को एक recently पता लगा था न्यूज़, जब ये recently trend में आया था oxygen cylinder thing. So what I did not at all, I could not understand is that the corona, it majorly affects your respiratory tract. It affects your it बहुत major उसका होता है breathing problem. If people with breathing problem are at a very high risk. So even not being from a medical background, not being a doctor or a chemist or a physio or anything, but I know that we would need oxygen, won't we? We would need oxygen.
Yes.
It's not like कि
Absolute
But उसका
necessity.
simple reason ये है कि भाई people are hoarding oxygen cylinders.
definitely, but
Businesses are hoarding oxygen cylinders.
definitely, but again, had I just think about it now, just think about it. I know, okay, I'm talking about 1 year back. 1 year back, whatever happened, I genuinely feel that nobody knew क्या होने वाला था. तो जो चीजें हुई वो हमको खुद unprecedented थी.
Yeah.
But considering ये same scenario 1 साल पहले हो चुका है संकल्प, and so we knew that we would require that. So how about the government could have actually acquired the stock?
अब बताता हूँ ना. government doesn't produce oxygen cylinders, right?
Definitely.
Government sends contracts,
Yeah.
government puts
Yeah.
up tenders.
Yeah.
ठीक है, बट अगर वो businesses होल्ड कर रहे हैं तो गवर्नमेंट कहाँ से लाएगी और सिलेंडर?
That is the thing ना.
दैट इज द मेन थिंग कि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में होर्डिंग हो रही है,
Yeah.
लोग पर्सनली होल्ड कर रहे हैं. अभी आज ही मैंने केस पढ़ा जिसमें अपने घर पे इलीगली किसी ने 70-80 सिलेंडर
हाँ,
ऑक्सीजन के
yeah.
इलीगली रख रखे हैं. पीपल आर डूइंग इट यार. तो इट्स लाइक इट्स अ कंबाइंड एफर्ट ना कि गवर्नमेंट कहाँ से उखाड़ के ले आएगी ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर.
But the fact is that time again.
Problem is not we are not producing oxygen.
Huh.
We
Yeah.
actually have a surplus of oxygen.
Yeah, exactly. But
The
it's not.
problem is
Huh.
in the infrastructure and how do we bring that oxygen from the factory to the
Yeah.
hospital?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I guess that's what we talked about, right? That's where I believe an administration should have made a little bit more preparation. I believe थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो सकता था.
डेफिनेटली अंडर प्रिपेयर्ड तो हम है ही.
I mean, just think about it, यार. Consider this: you take a loan from a government bank, be it only a 3 lakh rupees loan. Imagine you don't pay it for 5 years. वो आपसे वो पैसा निकलवा के रहेंगे. तो गवर्नमेंट when they want to do something, they have a way with it. So I refuse to believe that the government cannot procure
बट
cylinders.
इमेजिन हाफ ऑफ द कंट्री, मतलब आधे इंडिया से उनको ये लोन निकलवाना नहीं निकल पा पाएंगे. It's
No,
also about
I agree with what Amit is saying that
Yeah.
with just go to India Gate. Central Vista project has already started. It was signed only
yeah.
4 or
Ja-
5 months ago,
January
and
के
the project
आगे-
Which
has
was not
already
required
started.
at this point
We
of
had
time.
that discussion.
Yeah, we definitely talked about it, and we were like, it's a beautiful place. Nothing needs to
I mean,
change,
it's the-
especially at this time where the country
Yeah.
needs money.
Huh.
This does not need to happen. So yeah,
You were saying,
definitely.
Abhijit bhai, the Central Vista.
Yeah, so the Central Vista project has already started.
Yeah.
They have put up hoardings and everything. The parks have all been
Sealed.
dug up. Everything has been sealed. Big hoardings are there that
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, when
this
the
is
government,
Shapurji Palonji
Yeah.
and
when the government really wants to get something done, they get it done somehow. Just यार last time याद करो अभिजीत भाई, legit लोगों को डंडे पड़ रहे थे घर से बाहर निकलने में. I remember if I used to
Yeah.
अगर छत से मैं देखता था ना नीचे की ओर की क्या है, I could not see a car or a vehicle for like half an hour 40 minutes. The ones that I saw were like essential वाले tempos and all. Cars तो बहुत rare देखी मैंने. But at that point of time, there was that amount of strictness. The government did not want anybody to come out, and they did not come out. That's what I'm saying. That if the government really wants to get something done, they get it done. I refuse to believe कि वो नहीं कर सकते ये. I personally believe they're not motivated enough. They feel they might.
Yeah, I
they
was
would rather,
going to say
they would
the
rather invest
intention, like-
money somewhere better place. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was saying about the intention of actually trying to get it done. That's lacking this time. Definitely lacking this time.
Imagine people on social media, if they can get contacts of people who have oxygen cylinder available, then don't you think the government official can get that? Like I personally see every day 15 to 20 stories of people putting up on their Instagram that we want cylinder contact. What I feel, and I'm really happy for them.
Yeah.
That's a really great thing that people out of nowhere are helping strangers. But what I feel is that अगर उनको मिल सकता है contact, if they know how to make it available, why can't there be a central portal where you can get that?
Yeah.
What I'm saying is that, okay, not even central, let's make it only state wise. I believe this can be done. It's just that the government doesn't feel it to be important enough. That's what I believe.
Which makes me believe.
That's even because the government thinks that lockdown should be the last resort
Yeah,
rather
but
than being the
and all of
right
that
now.
the government is still rallying. It's not
That's
putting
what
up
I'm saying.
lockdown.
Yeah.
they don't have their priorities set right at the moment.
No, it actually makes me believe that they maybe know something that we do not know.
Definitely. I remember this picture of Amit Shah. You told me the other day, and then my mother also told me.
It was not actually a picture. It was a video. Amit Shah was roaming around a COVID ward without a mask, without a PPE suit.
Yeah.
So how was he doing that? He's an old man. Like was he not scared? And he doesn't. He's not scared of COVID. He doesn't care about it. He doesn't think like what is going on there. Does he know something that we do not know? Which puts up all these conspiracy
Yeah.
theories inside my mind. Ki, is it even real? Is this pandemic real? Is this virus real? Or is it just all being planted by the government and they know something that we do not know?
That's what I'm talking about, right? As you said, so there are a few party specific supporters. So I just asked them. I was like, "What is Amit Shah doing? Is he not afraid?" So I really got this one response, and the guy said, they must be having invisible like masks which you might not know they're wearing. Like उनके कपड़े ऐसे बने होंगे कि they are. And I was like, no, I had this discussion. I'm like, oh, this is beyond science. I have had this discussion with you. I know why BJP is in power and why is there's nothing improving in the India. Like you think their clothes are made in a way that they can. I mean,
वो पक्का सार्कास्टिक नहीं हो रहा था?
I have no idea. I was like कि हाँ मजाक नहीं सच होता था. He was like भाई हो सकता है हमें क्या पता, वो लोग बड़े ऑफिशियल्स हैं, वो ऐसे थोड़ी ना घूमेंगे. I'm like yeah, okay, all right. I have had this discussion.
But the only thing, only logical explanation I can find, although it does not make you 100% immune, is all of them have 2 shots of the vaccine.
But then again, just think about it.
The
यार,
new
अजीब है.
Yeah.
there's new variants and all
Yeah,
of
just
that.
think
You
about it,
still
na
need another dose for the new variants,
Not
right?
even
As far as I know.
Justin Trudeau,
But
the,
it's
the
not,
Prime Minister of Canada has
oh.
this audacity to go out without mask. Even the biggest of the biggest officials of WHO कह रहा हूँ, UNO and all, they even don't have the audacity to go into, and best part, not on road, in a COVID ward, a place which specifically curates the COVID patient. You're like, I am no one. So that is just, I don't know, like how confident and brave you are. So as you said, a lot of conspiracy theories even I've heard.
Yeah, which brings us to another topic, which is conspiracy theories, because I've been hearing a lot of them, and I'm very curious. I haven't made my opinion. I am not extremist कि मतलब मेरे को लगता है कि conspiracy theories ही सही है, या मेरे को लगता है कि जो अभी मैं देख रहा हूँ वही सही है या नहीं है. I'm like in the middle. I'm also listening to this. I'm also
So
listening
there
to
was,
that.
so first जो सबसे पहले, let's start the first one.
Yeah.
सबसे पहला था the China
China?
deliberately
Yeah.
sent this
Planted this
biological
virus,
weapon.
yeah.
Yeah, the biological weapon.
Yeah.
They prepared this biological
Yeah.
weapon and sent it to outside world. So I mean, I don't know about biological weapon, but मेरा personal opinion ये है कि they knew this has happened, but they were just too afraid to admit it on a global level. They kept it to themselves. They thought they can contain it.
They
but
blamed
Yeah.
they blamed USA clearly, but so
वही वाली बात है. They felt that they could contain
Yeah.
it, but they could not, and it really messed up the whole world. ये मेरे हिसाब से. But what do you think?
It's quite interesting that you brought this up because my bureau chief in Delhi and both of them, they worked on a news report of 30 minutes explaining from where COVID came, and they went to the National Institute of Virology in Pune, where a professor was studying on this. So back in 2013, inside a coal mine in China in the Yunnan province, which is around 1,000 kilometers from Wuhan.
okay.
In Yunnan, there was a mine in which there were many bats, and 10 miners were called to clean it, to clean the excretions and the bodies of the bats and all.
Okay.
And a week or two later, 6 out of the 10 miners died, and they had the same symptoms that we have today in COVID. And
2013 आपने कहा.
yeah, in 2013 and 14, and a student also did his thesis on this, and the cause of death was pneumonia. So there is a possibility that China knew about coronavirus. So there is a medical phenomenon which in French is called gain de fonction. So gain de fonction literally translates to winning over a function. So what is done here is that you take a virus which is not lethal for human beings, you put it in a lab, you tinker with it, make it infectious to human beings, and study it in a way to get the vaccine beforehand.
Oh, if such a scenario happens, then how to
If
deal
such
with
a
it?
scenario
Oh.
happens. So the
because लोगों ने बोला ना कि चाइना को बहुत जल्दी, मतलब चाइना में बहुत जल्दी केसेस कम हो गए.
हाँ.
They were able to contain. How did that happen?
They have more population than India. I mean,
Yeah.
everything apart, it's a big thing. So please continue, Abhijit bhai.
So two reasons for that, I'll tell you. So one probable, the most logical thing is that yes, China knew about it, and they contained the virus strain in the laboratory, and they made it infectious to human beings in order to get a vaccine beforehand. And nobody knows, maybe the virus escaped from their P3 and P4 labs, and it came into the human beings, and we did not have a vaccine at hand.
Yeah.
So it's like, so doing this is like searching for a gas leak with a lighter.
Yeah, exactly.
गैस लीक कहाँ हो रहा है,
It's more
लाइटर
like
लेके के.
fact is that had they been open about this, maybe people would have helped. We would have got a solution. But वही बात है, admitting to such a thing would actually
Yeah.
make them really wrong in a global politics scenario.
वो फिर जितना यूएन में उनके स्टैंडिंग्स हैं सब बहुत इफेक्ट हो जाता है.
And I somewhere I read this also that the China that they already had a vaccine, then they released this into the outside world. So their plan was to bring down the other countries' economy because of the whole pandemic. And considering they got the cases, they had the vaccine, they would get they would get fine real quick,
Yeah.
and they would actually go ahead in the economic scenario. This also read
Also
somewhere.
knowing the history of China, they can very possibly do it.
Yeah.
Because they've always been trying to find a way to, make their country more
Yeah.
more
They always try
powerful.
to
or
surpass the US and all
Yeah.
other global superpowers. They're always trying to do
even
that.
USSR वाले टाइम पे
Yeah.
they used to, ऐसे आग लगाने वाला जो ऐसे काम होता था, चाइना यूज्ड
कोई
टू
और
डू दैट.
इंटरेस्टिंग थ्योरी किसी के पास? मेरे को तो एक ये पता था चाइना वाले.
या
The only benefit of China being an authoritarian country is that,
They do whatever they want to.
and this is the problem in democratic countries where we say that there's too much democracy.
It's more like
So even
here everything will be questioned. In
ex-
in
exactly. So
China
what
kind of a
China,
country, nobody's going to
what
question.
what China did was, if in a city with 20 million people there were 15 COVID cases, the entire city was shut down. Nobody in, nobody out, no groceries, nothing. Don't give a damn. Just
You die,
let
you die.
people
Nobody
be
cares.
in a lockdown for 1 week. We'll supply you whatever you need. Nobody in, nobody out. Cases are at zero. Life starts again. But if you look at democracies, if you look at France, if you look at US, if you look at India, last year we had the Shaheen Bagh movement during COVID. This year we have the farmers movement during COVID. In US, when the cases were rising exponentially, we had the Black Lives Matter movement. In France, we have many protests.
The recent
the
one was
climate.
regarding the I guess it was led something Islam topic that
Yeah.
somebody raised a lot of
Yeah,
issue about
so
that.
Pakistan is having a civil war
Yeah.
right now.
Pakistan's official data. Has anybody seen the official data of Pakistan? Like how many
Pakistan has not
cases?
seen the official data of Pakistan.
No. Has anybody seen the official data of Pakistan's COVID scenario?
No, but it was
No.
quite heartwarming, I guess. This morning I woke up and I saw this
Yeah, they got,
Twitter trend. Pakistan stands with India. So
Yes.
Yeah.
I had
That's a
read
good
about
step
that too.
Also, I believe this civil war in Pakistan was like long coming.
Yeah, I mean, for how long can you suppress a specific population? यार कब तक तुम उनको रखोगे? Anyhow, that's topic for
Yeah,
another day.
that's a different topic.
Yeah, let's keep
So-
focus on the conspiracy. Any other conspiracy?
I have another
Yeah,
one.
please.
So there are these different doses of medicines that you get when you get positive with COVID, right? तुम्हें अलग-अलग medicines prescribe होंगी. One of these medicines has codeine in it. ठीक है? This is just an example. And codeine comes from the plant that
Okay.
heroin comes from. Okay. अब codeine का one of the biggest side effect is shortness of breath. ठीक है? And people are being prescribed this chemical in the disease where they could already have shortness of breath. So this is just one example of that medicine. Like there were also other medicines involved that were also like kind of increasing the symptoms of COVID. So like अगर ऐसी मेडिसिन आपको प्रिस्क्राइब हो रही है जिनके बारे में आपको पता है, जिनके कॉम्पोजिशन में कोडीन जैसी चीजें हैं जो आपको पता है will could cause this symptom, could aggravate your symptoms, तो ये प्रिस्क्राइब क्यों हो रही है? एंड दैट मेक्स मी बिलीव कि मतलब कुछ एक मतलब होता है ना, इट्स पार्ट ऑफ अ बिगर प्लान, इट्स समथिंग ईवल, लाइक एक उस तरह से ये एक प्रोपेगेंडा है. तो या दैट्स अनदर थ्योरी दैट
Okay.
मे बी सुजैन knows something about, maybe.
No, I'm not involved.
Never heard
I'm not.
I would just take a medical opinion about
Yeah.
it being the way of nature finding survival of the fittest. It happens every 100 years, so I'm taking it in that way. Maybe
Also-
the nature is.
ऑल्सो
The
देर आर
people
सो
who will
मेनी
survive
मेडिसिन ना, इतने सारे डोजेस दिए जाते हैं, तो लाइक बॉडी इज नॉट यूज टू, लाइक आपका सिस्टम तो ऑब्वियसली डगमगाएगा ही ना व्हेन यू गेट सो मेनी मेडिसिन इन अ वीक. आपको बोल दिया जाए 5 दिन के डोज है और आपको एक दिन में आप 10-15 टैबलेट्स खा रहे हो, तो लाइक ऑब्वियसली आपका
Yeah, I
सिस्टम इज
used
नॉट
to
यूज्ड टू
think about they're giving steroids to all the patients, and it does a lot of immunosuppression.
Yeah.
तो I always wonder कि अगर आप उनकी immunity suppress कर रहे हो, मतलब it is
Yeah.
for a good thing, or damage ना हो, but then the patients are getting exposed to all the other infections too.
Definitely.
So
And I feel
I
that
could
has to
relate to that.
play a hand in the increasing deaths, right? अगर आप medicine जो prescribe कर रहे हो, अगर it's not actually helping, तो obviously it's leading to death, ना?
No,
Yes,
I'm
could be,
I'm
but
not actually a believer of conspiracy theories. I wouldn't say
conspiracy
that.
theories, yeah.
I
Same here.
wouldn't say that medicines are deliberately being provided.
Yeah. It's
I
it's a
guess,
theory, मतलब obviously
yeah,
आपका opinion
of
इस पे हो
course.
सकता है.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. I guess the only problem is our lack of knowledge. I
Huh.
mean, even our medical fraternity, which has years and years of experience, we have so many doctors. I mean, even Randeep Guleria, director of AIMS,
Yeah.
Aims.
we are. I mean, there's such a lack of knowledge that we may seem helpless.
Yeah, I guess
So,
even doctors के पास भी जो knowledge है उसके हिसाब से they're trying to put the best medicines that could be
That's what I'm
used
saying.
in
No,
this.
It's
that
all supportive treatment right now
Yeah.
rather
there is
than
no
exactly.
treatment. It's
direct
more
treatment for it.
supportive.
Yeah, they're just trying to
Yeah,
help the
just
body to fight the virus. Just
yeah,
just survive.
exactly,
Because I guess at this
exactly.
point in
There's
time,
no life-saving drug
yeah, at this
or
point in time,
anything.
the
It's just hit
best,
and trial with all the
बोलने देना.
drugs.
yeah,
Yeah,
at this point in time, I believe
yeah.
the
Sorry,
best defender
sorry.
for us. नहीं वो मेरे को बोल रहा था
मैं
बोलने
इसको
दो.
कह रहा था बोल नहीं दे रहा. Yeah, I guess कर रहा है.
I believe at this point in time, the best defender for our body is our body itself. The best way to, the best shot we have at this virus is our body itself, that it fights it.
That is what I also believe in कि medicines को छोड़ सकते हो. I believe vitamins लेना is not that harmful. तुम zinc के tablets जो मिल रहे हैं, vitamin C के जो मिल रहे हैं ले लो. It's pretty good. ले लो. It will help you. But उसके अलावा जो बाकी medicines हैं, I feel you can drop them and eat healthy. जैसे कितने सारे fruits हैं जिनमें vitamin C है वो तुम ले सकते हो. Unless कि तुम्हारे को ज़्यादा cough है तो फिर maybe थोड़ा खट्टा avoid करो. And then like you could drink a lot of water, stay hydrated. And there's also one thing that I heard was कि मतलब either मतलब ऐसे sleep laying down on your chest or be on your
prone
side.
positioning.
Yeah. And
Yeah, prone position.
yeah, do
It
that.
increases
Also
oxygen
get up
intake.
every 3-4 hours and do some exercising to मतलब keep your body active. And ये सब मतलब काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं which you can yourself do to मतलब help yourself. जो लोग अवॉइड कर देते हैं अगर आप
तो
सिर्फ मेडिसिन पे डिपेंडेंट हो जाओगे किसी भी बीमारी के लिए आई डोंट थिंक दैट विल हेल्प यू मच.
Definitely. So I guess
I guess we should conclude this whole discussion by the last question that would actually conclude this कि आप लोगों के हिसाब से क्या क्या solutions हो सकते हैं
like what
इसको
can
remind
we as citizens do to
Yeah.
be safer and avoid
और what can the government do और what can the medical staff मतलब आपके हिसाब से क्या solutions है.
Abhijit bhai, please.
Go ahead, Susan.
No, you're the senior one, please. You're the most senior one.
Personally, I would say that the government cannot do everything on itself. The
Definitely.
doctors, the hospitals cannot do everything on their own.
Definitely.
And of course, people cannot do everything on their own. Everyone has to work together. So, what we as the common folk need to do is to avoid ceding to the panic. And this is what the media is doing. The media is showing images that put panic inside you. So it's all a game of TRP. So what we need to do is avoid the WhatsApp forwards. I mean, there was a WhatsApp forward going on that smelling camphor will increase your oxygen level. That is quite harmful for your lungs. Directly smelling camphor will absolutely blow up your sinuses. What we need to do is do not cede to the panic. Do not follow medical advice coming from WhatsApp.
Yeah,
WhatsApp doctors.
True.
ये तो
Very
सालों से बोल
true.
रहे हैं लोगों को समझ नहीं रहे वो.
And yeah, just like Sankalp said, I mean, I do have a list of things that people should follow. So steam inhalation is quite useful. Even if you do not have COVID, steam inhalation is quite useful.
Yeah,
Stop drinking cold water.
definitely.
It's not helpful at all. I mean, water is meant to be consumed at room temperature.
Yeah.
And yes, eat healthy food, and the most important is to remain hydrated. And this
Yeah.
is what even the microbiologists and doctors have told me, is to remain hydrated. And yes, eat zinc and vitamin C, anything that is a multivitamin but
Yeah.
does not affect your body. So don't go
Yeah.
for antibiotic without consulting a doctor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is what we need to do as laymen, as the common people, to actually help control the spread of the virus. Stay at home, wear your masks. So what now we need to do is wear double masks. That is even a better technique. So if you have an N95 mask like this one, so you
Okay.
don't need to wear a double mask for this,
Okay.
because it if you wear a double mask, it will hamper your breathing.
Okay.
But if you have, if you have a cloth mask like this one, so I
Okay.
recently washed it, so I'm touching it. If you have a cloth mask, then wear a surgical mask behind it, knot it here, a surgical mask, then apply this cloth mask. So the double masking, it will actually, there is a 95 to 96% increase in protection from catching the virus if you have double mask.
Okay.
So yeah, do not do it if you have an N95. So I am really paranoid with COVID, so I even do double masking with the N95. But it's not recommended. It will actually hamper your breathing.
You
So
should not
I
do it then.
fortunately,
Why?
yes, I recently got to know that it's not
Yeah.
recommended with
Yeah.
N95. So yes, this is what we need to do because we are not medical professionals. So we need to take care on our own.
Yeah.
Practice hand hygiene, wear masks, eat healthy food, take your vitamins, and wait for it to pass. Don't venture out unnecessarily, and don't cede to the panic. The best, I mean, I am in the media profession, but the best uh, thing I would tell people is
Don't watch TV.
stop watching TV news. Stop it. Because every day, for the prime time, the breaking news, there is this, there is that.
स्पेशली प्राइम टाइम तो छोड़ दो, वो डिबेट्स देखने की जरूरत नहीं है अभी.
Nobody will give you positive news. No, I mean, the media won't tell you that it's in a virus's nature that it will become less mortal and become more infectious.
Yeah,
They'll
yeah,
No
yeah.
media is going to tell you that.
I didn't know it.
Media is going
Yeah.
media is going to tell you that beds नहीं है, oxygen नहीं है, लोग मर रहे हैं, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है.
Yeah.
So it's their job, but it's also their job to not spread panic.
Yeah.
And yes,
Definitely.
we can blame the government, we can blame that infrastructure नहीं है, but we are the first people to blame because we were not wearing masks. I mean, we did do, I did reports in January and February and March. So they were in Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh, and even Haryana. So these were not COVID based reports, but whenever we ventured into the markets, no one had masks. Everyone was saying COVID khatam ho gaya. So January, February, March was enough for the variants to come back
Yeah.
and attack us like never before and completely take
Yeah,
us over and spread like wildfire.
definitely.
Yeah. Suzanne.
He said beautifully all the advice. It was good.
Anything you like to add over
I
there? Yeah.
to add in that about like mental health. It's very important because there's a lot of stress, anxiety, and people having their family members in the hospital and everything. Even if you don't have anyone around you, just reading the news and coming to know about all this, it just makes you sad.
Yeah.
So we should try to
Absolutely.
be the source of calm in all this. We should try to think like how could we make it better. Best thing is to stay at home and follow
Yeah.
everything that I just mentioned. And I would even like to tell about like people could try to donate stuffs. Like I come across a lot of campaigns and many foundations that are actually giving money. Maybe I don't know about Indian campaigns, but I've seen something related to WHO and stuff. And they have a lot of campaigns in which they want us to give some money so that even the people who are not able to reach hospitals, they might get oxygen cylinders or anything that they need at home.
Yeah.
And apart from that, we should not believe anything that comes on WhatsApp.
Yeah,
Definitely.
definitely.
Yeah.
That's a very good point.
It's very, and it's very vague also. People should believe their doctors and have faith in them.
Yeah.
And we should we really respect doctors at this time because they've been exhausted. We should think about how it's been. हमारे लिए तो चलो आके चला गया वापस, but for them it was a constant fight
It's
from
been
day one.
yeah, it's been the pandemic since like more than a year now.
Yes,
Just
and they
think about
have
how many
been
dead bodies they saw.
Definitely.
exactly, and how they would have to go back every day
Yeah.
and deal with this on their own.
I believe
So it's
a
good.
lot of doctors have given a choice that go and take a break for some days. They would actually want to. The lockdown which we are despising right now, कि यार घर पे रहना पड़ रहा है. They actually will be like, yeah, I need a break from this. I need to see my family. I remember one of my friend's father's doctor. So his father came home like 1.5 months after, like डेढ़ month पे he used to come back, and that too for like 1 hour or उसमें भी he could not get into a lot of contact with him because
Yeah.
he was working directly with them. So
Yeah.
just think about it. Now you are with at least you're with your family at your place, or even if you're not, you're at your home, and all you're supposed to do is that stay at home, do what you love.
Yes.
I believe a lot of things can be done. घर पे you can read a book, you can
Yeah.
listen to music, you can
You can
go.
spend time with your family. I
Yeah.
think it's the best time to spend with family.
I mean, just go and play that one game you thought that you should play in your 10th, 11th class. It's just your time. Go and play that game. Get into that zone.
Yeah.
Just do anything but go outside pointlessly.
Also, thank you for
But
looking
not
at me while you said listen to music. Guys, you can listen to my music. But yeah, I
one
definitely would. आप बोलो.
one thing, Sankalp, is that I mean, Suzanne is right that we should respect doctors, of course.
Definitely.
But another portion of people who are not getting recognition, and through my reports, I really realized what they are facing, is that the grave diggers
Definitely.
Yeah.
and the people who are doing cremation. So
Yeah.
I went to Nigambodh Ghat, which is the biggest cremation ground in Delhi, and also Jadid Qabristan, which is at Delhi Gate. It's the biggest Muslim crematorium in Delhi. So in Nigambodh Ghat, there are 70 bodies coming up every day, 70 to 80 bodies. And what happens is ambulances line up, they come to the pyre, and people are charged to put the bodies on the pyre. So if you are doing this job every day, it's quite hectic, it's quite
Yeah.
mentally quite
Demanding.
effective. Yeah, demanding. And yeah, I have a picture here of the Jadid Kabristan. So these are all graves, as you can see. So
Yeah.
this is a drone image of Jadid Kabristan, and Muhammad Shamim, who is the caretaker of this Kabristan, he said that they only have about 100 places left for COVID deaths because there has been a massive increase in this. So he said that they get about 20 to 22 burials per day. I mean, I don't know if you can imagine how much that is.
Definitely,
Yeah. No,
So,
it's a
20
lot.
bodies per day you're supposed to dig in
Much.
and just put it over there, cover them, and
And
just forget about
I would
it.
agree. All these people are also definitely essential workers that
Yeah.
need the
they
respect.
are essential workers who do not get enough
Yeah,
recognition
Yeah.
because the doctors, yes, they are of course treating us, but these people, the sanitation workers, they are the ones who
Yes.
are doing the part after.
yeah,
Even the ambulance drivers. I mean, there was one ambulance driver who passed away recently, and
Yeah.
he had ferried about 200 COVID patients, and he passed away about 2 weeks ago or
that's
one
your
week
real
ago.
life Masiha,
Yes.
real life angel for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I would like to conclude this podcast by saying that follow all the steps that Abhijit Bhai said, Suzanne said. Keep your mental health well. Respect all the frontline workers. Respect all the essential workers. आप बाहर से अगर खाना भी मंगवाते हो, Zomato वाले आते हैं. These are also people who are risking their lives and trying to fill your stomach. So respect everybody who is doing something, doing their part in this whole pandemic. And take care of your family, take care of yourself, and WhatsApp forwards please. Yeah. बस वो मत देखो.
This is a time for every human to be there for another one. It's a fight for the whole humanity.
Yeah.
Don't
Right.
keep it out of context that who that person is, whether you're a fight with them or not. Just help them if you can.
Yeah.
It's a fight for us all.
Also, important message, if you're somebody who has recently recovered from COVID, you should donate your plasma, क्योंकि कहाँ लेके जाना है तुम्हें वो. you can donate it.
कमी नहीं होगी
yeah.
तुम्हारे शरीर में. You
Yeah.
will not get weak.
You have enough plasma, so
You'll actually be helping somebody survive, and that's really something one should be grateful of.
yeah, awesome. This was another episode of out of the box. And आप सब comments में अपने experience बता सकते हैं. If you have any resources that you would like to share, आप हमें वो भेज सकते हैं, हम भी share करेंगे उन्हें. And
And I would like
thank
to
you
thank-
Abhijit
yeah.
bhai, and thank you Suzanne for joining us. And actually I actually learned a lot today.
Yeah.
So it was very helpful, and I hope people also learn something from this video.
Guys, stay safe. घर पे रहो, आराम से chill करो, मजे करो.
Yeah.
Do not go out unless it is necessary.
All right, let's all say bye to the camera.
Bye bye. Stay safe.
Thank you
Bye.
guys for having us. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for having
Thank
me.
you.
Thank you. Bye.